Welcome to my third Moto Guzzi V7 special video. I have completed my bike now and hope you're pleased with the results. One of the best things about Moto Guzzi is they are effectively handmade vintage motorcycles still produced in Italy. The modifications I've made are fairly straightforward. We start with the back number one handlebars that give you a nice swept back riding position, more comfortable at the same time help with the handling of the bike. I'm going to step back a bit and you'll notice straight away a couple of the changes are the indicators. The rears are mounted above the suspension and they're made by a company called Devil's Eyes. The fronts are made by a company called Speed of Cheese Racing, and the manager and director Mark Atkinson is very helpful. He's provided with a spare LED should the bike get knocked over and it's damaged. The thing is, these LEDs are very easy to remove and they come complete with connectors. The rear tail light is made by a company called Bark and they tidy up the rear end. That wonderful sound, best appreciated through a set of headphones made by Mistral. The exhausts are loud enough, and these are actually with the baffles in. You get to feel every pulse, and they certainly produce a grin every time the bike's ridden. Moving across to the side a little bit more. The side panels are Moto Guzzi Racers. I prefer those to the plastic standard of the V7. I've had the Hepco and Becker crash bars fitted and the handy place to mount the LEDs. I'm a firm believer in additional lighting increase your chances of being seen. Another change to the bike has been the move from tubed wheels to tubeless. That means the spoke alloys, which are standard, have been replaced by the cast. There are two things with a tubeless wheel. One is that if you get a deflation, the rate is normally slower than a tubed wheel, so it gives you a better chance of controlling the bike. And the second thing is you could be miles away from home, and what do you do to fix the puncture? Well, the tubeless design can often mean a plug if the puncture is close to the centre, whereas with the tube tyres it's a problem because you have to put a new inner tube in, or certainly repair the one that's on the bike. Now, the problem with the Moto Guzzi is that because it's a shaft drive, it's very difficult to remove the rear wheel, and it's certainly something I wouldn't recommend if you're miles away from home. So that was the reason why I've changed for those. Hope you like my changes to the bike, and if you have any questions please feel free to ask below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching.